Hi. Agasthyakoodan is calling you and you must go. Congratulations and my best wishes to all those who are planning and preparing for their big day. I'm very grateful to have experienced Agasthyamala twice, and in 2024 this is my third time. Dear friends, Agasthyakoodan is one of the most diverse treks, and this definitely needs certain preparation. From my experience, preparing your body and your mind is very crucial. Along with that, what to pack is also very important. Whenever you plan for a trek or a hike, equipping yourself well with trekking gear, clothing is as important as your travel plan itself. While climbing Agasthyakoodam, I have come across many people who climb barefoot with minimum clothing. I bow down to them. That definitely needs the next level of preparation of your body and your mind. Agasthyamala range is very tricky and it puts you through unforeseen weather conditions. Also, you trek through 4 different terrains, encountering the hot sunny weather, the chill winds, and the sudden outburst of heavy rains. With these factors on your mind, you need to equip yourself with everything that you need for a 3-day trek. Let's prepare a checklist of documents first. Your ticket to Agasthyakoodan, which you need to keep safely till you check out. Your photo ID proof, which you submitted while getting the ticket. Medical certificate, which you acquire from a registered medical practitioner just 1 week before your trek date. A valid accident insurance policy. Now, coming to your backpacking. Make sure to keep it light. On the day 1, you'll be trekking around 14 to 16 kilometers to reach Tirumala base camp from the Bonaccard picket station. There are no porters or any means to carry your luggage. You need to carry your backpack all the time. A good backpack with rain cover around 50 to 60 liters capacity. A small backpack for day 2 trek, just enough to carry your packed breakfast, a water bottle, raincoat and a hand towel. A water bottle or a hydration pack of 1 liter capacity. You can refill water from streams and waterfalls. A good torch is a must. UV protection sunglasses, a sun hat and a skull cap that can cover your ears in the wind. 3 pairs of socks. Good trekking shoes, preferably ankle shoes. As Agasthyakoodan is also a place of worship for devotees of Agastya, many trekkers have queries regarding footwear. Yes, footwear is allowed. A sleeping bag or a shawl or a warm blanket. Now let's talk about clothing. Clothing must be light and give good protection against sun, wind and rain. You will need at least 5 dry fit t-shirts, full sleeves preferably, a warm jacket, a raincoat or a poncho. Trekking pants with multiple pockets are good. Warm clothing for the nights as it will be very windy and chill. Innerwear garments and towels. Toiletries. A medicine kit. A small medicine kit will be good in case you need a paracetamol or a moo. Snacks. You can carry chocolate bars, dry fruits and energy bars packed in paper covers only. No need to carry plates or boxes for packing food. Pack your excitement, not your expectations. You'll be living in raw nature with basic facilities and food. Do remember that you'll be living in wild nature for 3 days. Keep your packing to minimal and make your journey comfortable and enjoyable. Have a wonderful journey and don't forget to share your experiences with me. Namaskara.